We're actually starting with a blush today because I already have some base. This is Moist Ampoule Blusher by her. This is so pretty. I'm applying it with my fingers because I love how natural it looks. I'm applying it high on the cheeks and blend it upwards. We'll add a bit more. The blush in this makeup is so important. So don't be afraid to add more if you want to. Don't let this blush blindness trend to stop you. I also applied on the nose, on the chin, and on the forehead, like this, and blend it here. We're basically applying the blush on the spots where we used contour, but since this is a cute makeup, we're using blush instead. It just makes everything more soft, more cute. This is the effect it gives us. Next, I'm setting everything with setting powder. Honestly, this product is my holy grail. It's purple. Since it's a purple blush, it gives your skin a bit of color. I'm going to show you. But with this makeup, it works perfectly because we have a lot of blush and it plays with it so beautifully. I've been obsessed with it lately. Let me show you how it looks on the skin. So this is before. This is after. It adds a bit of like pink color to your face, and I've noticed it, but when I use blush it looks really pretty, so I don't mind it. Let me do this part of the face and I'll show you the difference. Just look at the difference. If this doesn't tell you to buy this as quickly as you can, like, I don't know what will. The first time I tried this product, I was like, what? So how's your day? It's raining right now, so I'm doing my makeup as rain sounds. I love it so much. Now onto the eyes. I'm using this Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. This is such a dreamy palette. Okay. For the base, I'm going in with this shade called Happiness. It's such a perfect shade for this look. Just apply it as a base. Applying it on the lid and here. I apply more here. Oh, look how pretty this color is. Then with this angled brush and the shade Mantra, this one, I'm filling in the upper lash line, only upper lash line, and adding a little line at the outer corner under your lower lash line. So I'm elongating the eye from the center till here. This makes the eyes look bigger and longer. Okay, let me blend it because now it looks kind of weird. Let's softly blend it so there won't be any harsh lines. Sometimes it's so painful to fill in this upper lash line. It looks like I'm crying now. To finish the eye makeup, I take this tiny brush and apply the shade Energized, this one. I apply the shade to the inner corner and under the lower lash line, so it's all the way from here to here. The makeup looks so dreamy. Don't be afraid to go all the way here. I don't know if you see because of the lightning, but I will definitely show you how it looks in the end. So we are done with eye makeup. For this look, we want our eyes to look more round, and the eyeliner will help us with it. I'm using this cutie. The brand is the Blessed Moon Black Hole Lasting. This is one of my favorite eyeliners actually. So I'm drawing a soft line along the upper lash line. But instead of doing a long wing all across the eye, I'm starting from the center of the eye and go here. Of course, every eye shape is different, but in most cases, this hack will help you to create this vision of round eye. The next step is mascara. I'm using this tube in mascara by Heimish. I really love this one with rose gold parts because I've tried, it was like dark one. I didn't really like it, but this one is really cool. I've been buying it for like 2 years now. A year? For a long time. Apply mascara as usual to the top lashes. But for the lower lashes, I only apply it on 2/3. So basically, I'm just applying it here. It will create really cute effect, especially when we have this like sparkly things here. For eyebrows, I'm using Rom&nd All Sharp Brow. I'm literally telling you all of my favorites here. I'm keeping my brows straighter for this look and extending the tails. But honestly, I don't think that you should follow exactly my way. Just enhance your natural shape and the way that flatters your face. And I think it'll be the best way to go. Because the main things here is eye makeup and the blush placement. Do the brows whatever you want. Now for a little glow, I'm applying highlighter on my cheeks. Here. It's my favorite placement. And on the nose. And under the eyebrows. We're almost done. The last step is lips. But I think my lipstick is in my backpack. So I'm gonna go quickly get it. It's one of my favorite lipsticks. It's always with me, so I forgot to bring it. Okay, I'm back with this beautiful lipstick. This is Etude House over Glowy. And the shade is 06 Pink Stone. I didn't do any contour for my lips. And I think I won't because just want to keep things simple for this makeup, so I'm just applying this lipstick. It's so pretty. Look how pretty it is. Look how pretty it is. Isn't it the prettiest shade? Wow. And that's it. Our makeup is done. Thank you for watching, and I'm so curious about your feedback. What do you think of this makeup? Would you recreate it? And I just want to know your thoughts. Follow my Instagram. I post a lot of makeup ideas there, so I'm waiting for you there. Of course, follow my YouTube channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye!